This is how we're gonna multitask. We are going to sheet mask with my Mamand. I'm going to cover it with my Daiso, and then we're gonna be able to do my hair. Because otherwise, when I'm blow drying my hair and doing it, it kind of will stick to my face if I don't have a great cover on my sheet mask. But I love being able to sheet mask while I dry my hair. I have to essentially multitask anything. That hair and that heat around your face is gonna dry you out. And today I'm using that Revlon. Now look. My face is coated, the mask is locked in, and now I'm gonna be able to blow dry my hair. Popular things on Amazon. 313,000 reviews. So this thing has a on-off switch, and then it's cool, low, and high. Turn it on to high. Okay, so now it's off. Now one click up for cold. So then we can just like spray our ends. You guys see? So this is kind of what it did, is I used that tool and some hairspray. You can see the volume that it gave me. Yes, exactly. It is silky and shiny. I guess I should check it out myself from the back. Let's see. So you can see that it looks nice. It looks good, right? I think it worked out nice.